my peoples at? Get my niggas up in this bitch. And alright, and them back. Alright, hiding for me. They mad as hell trying to shoot at that bitch. Ain't happening. I got my people over here. There we go. Hey, cuz, I just bought a brand new truck and these fuck niggas. Hold on, what's going on over here? Type shit. Type shit, type shit. New truck, new truck. New truck, ops. Oh, the bitch shooting me in the back of the head. Yeah, that ain't work. That ain't work at all. Okay, got me some toys though.